Salut tout le monde, on se retrouve aujourd'hui pour la vidéo 42. Donc c'est la suite de ce qui s'est passé la semaine dernière. Hop, on va arrêter de voler. Donc après avoir après que l'œil divin se soit fait voler. Oh là, Razor, allez. On l'a défoncé lui. Hop. Là on peut aller chercher les traces. Inspecter juste ici. Hop.
Hubris. This way. Follow me. There may be an ambush waiting for us up ahead, but I trust that you are well prepared for such a scenario.
Donc on a un timing, on doit le réaliser dans les temps.
Treasure hoarders, just as I expected. In which case, please stand.
C'est fort Razor. Hein. Enfin je peux vous présenter ma nouvelle équipe. Parce que dans la vidéo dernière je vous avais dit que j'avais fait une nouvelle équipe et que on n'avait pas vraiment pu les tests puisqu'on était vraiment avec la voyageuse en train de se battre à main nue un peu dans l'arène. Donc là ça me permet de... Razor c'est vraiment fort. Hein. Il laissera tomber. Okay.
You caught up with me? How is that possible? I had even prepared a boat to ensure a quick getaway, and still you caught up to me.
No boat could ever match the speed of the wind.
The wind? What are you talking about? Drat! If I only had a vision. Or if I could act...
This has nothing to do with visions. You may be skilled at vanishing from a crowd, but it seems you know pressure. Additionally, your chosen escape route was flawed for reasons that are too numerous to go into. And on top of that, I could hear your boasting and proud laughter in the wind as I was pursuing you. In other words, you failed to meet any of the basic criteria for a grand heist.
You...
But most disappointing of all is the state of the vision in your hand. It appears that the vision doesn't respond to human desire.
Fine! Fine! I've had my eyes on this vision for quite some time now. I decided to register after hearing that this fighting contest was full of...
Aha! So you were supposed to...
I'd intended to win the contest through skill alone all along. After watching the semi-finals, I knew that I didn't stand a chance. But I wasn't about to give up since there was no use in trying to face you in the match. I decided to put my skills to good use while everyone's... I was convinced I prepared thoroughly for my escape. But somehow, you still managed to catch up to me. Drat. This could... I know an empty threat when I hear one. Fine. But you'd better mean it. It didn't activate once I took...
You know, according to the laws of the sea, the penalty for stealing is break...
Huh? You're not serious, are you?
Not to mention that the item you stole was a prize. You didn't show up for the final match, and you damaged the reputation of the captain of the Kruk. It seems that it would be only fair to brand the word thief on your forehead with a hot iron.
Whoa, whoa! We don't need to go that far, do we?
I never would have guessed you could be so cruel. If this is where talking gets me, then forget it. I'll risk a
Ha-ha! Yeah! Gah! Two! Gah! Yeah! 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 Gah! Just you watch!
Trop simple à battre lui.
Yeah! I'll have my revenge, eventually.
No, no. Do what you want, but please.
He has persevered to the bitter end, and now death looms near. Put down the vision and leave. I've changed my...
Huh?
What's wrong? Are you... It's up to you. Such willingness is commend...
No, no. No need for that. Thank you for...
Huh? Paimon doesn't get it!
I take no pleasure in frightening others. I was just testing all possibilities while... When people are forced into a corner, that is when their greatest strength will appear. I thought... But unfortunately, nothing... Yes. I wanted
Bien
from the
joué.
moment he stole
Bien joué
the vision.
Kazuha, bien joué, bien joué.
I've tried many other methods in the past, though few tales tell of a masterless vision reawakening. After seeing you command multiple elements, I figured that come, why don't you give it a try? Let's see if you can give me the answer I'm...
The vision didn't...
I see. So you are also unable to No matter. This was expected. I suppose this vision is still mine to take for now.
Yeah, what's the story behind this vision anyway?
The story begins with an old friend.
Ah ouais, une histoire avec un ami.
He was once a good friend of mine. One day he asked me about a sword art of which he had heard, the Musono Hitotachi. I told him it can only be witnessed when divine punishment is administered. It is the pinnacle of the Raiden Shogun's skill, a symbol of ultimate power. But he replied, there must be one who can withstand it. There will always be those who dare to brave the lightning's glow. Then, the Vision Hunt decree arrived. People's aspirations were stripped away as the Raiden Shogun began to construct her ideal of eternity. While I was fleeing from place to place, I heard that my friend had challenged the Vision Hunters to a duel before the throne. A solemn yet brutal challenge. The defeated face divine punishment, while the victors gain a second chance. Perhaps he thought he of all people should make a stand. Coming face to face with the Musono Hitotachi was all that he truly desired, after all. When I arrived at Tenshukaku, the duel was over. I heard his sentence of divine punishment, his severed blade hitting the ground. Perhaps that was the glory he had yearned to witness. In his last moments, what expression was on his face? Before I knew it, I had stepped forward and snatched the dying vision and was running from the scene. All I knew was that I mustn't let his hope, which burned so brightly, become buried among the ice-cold statue of a god. Perhaps one day, I may come to find that all I have done is meaningless. But as a wandering samurai, I find meaning in traveling and the sprawling beauty of nature that lies...
Kazuha!
It's just... All right then. It's time we returned. Allow me to gather the wind for us once more.
Huh? Did Beta leave already?
If you're looking for the captain, she was summoned by Lady Ningguang. It seems that the Crux clash got out of hand this time and has attracted her attention. Captain Beidou was muttering something about Ningguang being a stick in the mud as she headed off.
It's not unusual for those...
But still, Captain Beidou was disappointed she didn't get to witness the crowning of the new champion.
The one who stole the vision was originally to be this hero. He knew he stood no chance of winning the match, thus the wicked idea. In which case, the Crux clash comes...
Huh? If that's the case, then the rules stipulate that he is
Paimon thought we'd win and all, but no.
It doesn't matter. As the saying goes, honor given is honor deserved. Now, let me go.
Yes, I believe so. But the voyage to Inazuma is a treacherous one. You will be In fact, the relentless rain and wind are also an
Hold on a second. You're saying she can change...
Let us not forget that this is one of the 7 Archons. If Liyue's Morax could form Guyun's... Suffice it to say that if you wish to journey to Inazuma, the Alcor will need some time. In the meantime, I intend to embark on a journey of my own.
Paimon believes you'll find...
Thank you. May both our journeys prove me... One final word of...
Allez, let's go, nous on y va. On veut y aller maintenant. On a fini le prologue du chapitre 2, ça c'est cool. On va se faire TP là pour aller plus vite. Hop. Bonjour Catherine.
Ad Astra Abyssosk. What can I do? Ah, yes. I've heard that you've already made arrangements with the captain of the Crux fleet. Now that I think about it, it's been quite some time since I last visited those...
There you are. You're the traveler that Beidou will be taking to Inazuma, right? The fleet is nearly completed reprovisioning. Once the crews have taken... Captain Beidou sent me to come get you. We'll weigh anchor as...
Ok, super.
Of course. There are many things that the captain...
On va se dépêcher d'aller découvrir cette nouvelle île ou ce nouveau territoire, je sais pas à quoi ça ressemble.
Congratulations are in order. Whether the journey before you leads to the heights of the heavens or the depths of the abyss, until we meet again. Ad Astra Abyssosk.
Oh, it's kinda hard to say goodbye now.
Well, if that's how you feel, why not come and find me when you arrive? I'll be awaiting you on Narukami Island.
So there's another Catherine in Inazuma? See?
Well, I guess it's time for you to bid farewell to Liyue Harbor. Now that I've delivered my message, I'll be heading back.
Okay, thanks for coming all this way to...
Just following orders. I'll see you two aboard.
Et bon, on y va. C'est parti. Alors, on va pas faire ça. On va faire ça. Faut retourner là-bas, ouais. Hop, on va se téléporter, ce sera beaucoup plus rapide. On va monter la colline. Par où on passe pour monter la colline? Par là. J'ai pas l'impression. Oh, quoique. Non, je pense pas. Oh ouais, il est coincé direct lui. Voilà. Allez, X, lâche. Reprends de l'énergie. Wow! Bien vu. Boum! Tout est bon à prendre pour améliorer ensuite son... Bah ouais, on peut passer là en vrai. Allez, ciao! Pas le temps de me battre contre vous. Ouais, ils vont sûrement se retéléporter sur moi. Allez, c'est parti. Plus on ira vite, là on y sera vite. Hop. On va récupérer notre endurance et c'est parti. On peut partir vers de nouveaux horizons, let's go. Je sais pas si c'est des trucs auxquels on a accès là-bas. Parce qu'il y a encore une île volante. Voilà.
You finally made all these years, come rain or storm, the Crux fleet has never suffered a delay. If it were anyone else, I might have set sail already. Don't look too serious, I'm only joking. You're just on... Well, now that everyone's here, we set sail for the land engulfed by storm and tempest.
Anchors away!
J'espère qu'il y a une petite mission pendant le voyage comme ça. Stylé une visu comme ça. Et voilà, on arrive dans un nouvel endroit. Pouvoir redécouvrir, je sais pas s'il y aura des nouveaux mobs, etc. Ça peut être sympa s'il y en a des nouveaux. Déjà un nouveau personnage.
Oh, hi there. So, you finally made it. You sure kept me waiting, Captain. And it appears we have a couple of stowaways. Or perhaps I should...
Shush!
You can blame your almighty Shogun. The tempests around Inazuma have been growing though the fleet was fully up to the challenge. The inclement weather still caused some delay. Now then, let me introduce everyone. This is Toma, a trade partner that
You don't know how long I've been waiting to see you.
Toma, these two are...
Oh, no need for introductions. Their reputation precedes them. Seems even the stormy seas can't keep rumors of these outlanders' sterling
Oh,
With any luck, it'll give you a head start. Toma's resided on Rito for quite some time now. It wouldn't be going too far to say he's the fixer around these parts. If you run into any problems here, just talk to Toma. But if he tries to pull any moves on you, I'll be sure to...
No need to worry. I'm sure we'll get along just fine.
Good. Then if it's all settled, I'll be going. I wouldn't want to be caught with my sails down here. I do have a wanted fugitive on...
all right.
Until next time, traveler. Remember to give it your all, no matter what perilous storms you may encounter.
Fair seas, Captain Beta.
Now then, first things first. We need to go get you registered at the border checkpoint.
Paimon thought we were supposed to be...
Don't underestimate the reaches of the Sakoku Decree. You wouldn't... So we have to play by the rules, even if we're kind of bending them.
Bon bah on va respecter les règles hein. Déjà chez Razor il n'y a que des panneaux, des drapeaux avec l'élément de Razor, donc c'est peut-être un bon signe ça. Hop. Bonjour.
Hello? Please state your name, identity, and the purpose of your visit. You must be... Excuse me? Please provide the information requested and also declare any goods you are carrying with you. Oh, well, I'm sorry. We cannot approve entry for purely personal reasons. My apologies, but I'll have to ask you to...
Here are their entry papers, for your kind perusal.
What? Take your time. No rush or...
I just wanted to see...
I see. Okay. Your papers are all...
The Outlander Affairs Agent, they only check entry permits here. If you want to remain on Rito, there's a process you have to go...
Sheesh. So it is?
Well, let's not forget that to everyday folk in Inazuma, people from everywhere else are, as the word suggests, Outlanders aren't very welcome in Inazuma with the Sakoku Decree in force. Not even on Rito, where they've established an outsider settlement. I like how you think. Now, let's head over to the Outland.
M'emmerde lui avec
Most of the
ses...
current rules were put in place
Ses
by the
papiers.
administration of Rito, the Kanjo Commission.
Moi j'ai envie d'aller voir les nouveaux mobs et tout. Oh l'arbre est sympa.
Yes, one branch of the Tri-Commission of Inazuma, responsible for growing and managing the nation's wealth.
On va faire ça tout de suite, comme ça.
You really haven't heard of it before?
Allez, boum. Du coup on a accès à la map? Ah, pas encore totalement. Faudra qu'on aille là juste après, comme ça on verra un peu plus sur la map. C'est une Catherine ça? Ah non. Bonjour, Madame l'inspectrice.
You've completed the entry procedures, yes? And now you want to apply...
Yes, please.
Okay, the processing fee will be 2 million mora.
2 million? For a...
That's right. 1 million per applicant, which makes 2 million total.
Paimon wasn't so much questioning your...
Ma'am, these two here...
Ah, Mr. Toma, it's you. By way of courtesy, allow me to reduce it to...
Thank you ever... But as this is just a processing fee, I think 600 mora should cover it if I'm paying on their behalf. I'll treat you to dinner...
That's not how you haggle! By all means, bargain the price...
Alright then, as you wish, Mr. Toma.
Much obliged.
C'est un bon négociateur lui. De 2 millions il a réussi à passer à 600, c'est plutôt...
What? She went from 2 million down to 600? There's something seriously wrong with people's sense of finance around here!
It's not as mind-boggling as you think. Processing, the way some here at the agency see it, the fees are easy money. So when the day comes that some poor merchant from overseas with more money than sense gets stuck here and needs to...
Then they'll milk them.
Exactly. It's at times like this that having a local friend really comes in handy. Yes, but when you're an outlander in Inazuma, far from home in this close nation, the most that overseas merchants can do to look after them, that's how the International Trade Association came about.
So it's a trade association built by...
Yep. And as well as advancing commercial interests. The association provides help, support. Essentially, it's an association devoted to both commercial excellence and survival skills.
Sounds like just staying alive is an achievement when you're an outlander in Inazuma.
I see. So this is the real purpose of your trip. Yes, given after all, the Raiden Shogun is the most exalted and revered one in all of Inazuma. She is a deity who reigns on high. Huh. I was going to say nothing is set in stone when it comes to who you will encounter in this world. Who's to say you won't happen to run into the Raiden Shogun?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll give it to you straight. I know of a way to
Really? Wow!
I mean, it will take all the resources I have at my disposal. Connections come at a high price.
Not you too!
No. In this instance, in fact, there's no real cost as such. It's just that if
Ouais,
this
ça
is
va être
something
long,
you
quoi.
really want, I like to do things in a way that keeps everybody happy. It's my own personal rule.
Sounds very reasonable to Paimon. You're the man in the...
Here's the situation. As I touched upon earlier, the members of the recently things seem to have gotten more difficult than ever for them, so just go and check things out. The head of the association is called Carisio, and he's a good friend of mine.
Bon, on va aller lui parler. Mais avant d'aller lui parler, on va regarder la map. Et et j'aimerais bien aller ici. Et on ira lui parler la semaine prochaine. Comme ça au moins on voit un peu tout. On verra un peu à quel territoire on a accès maintenant. Et ça je trouve ça chouette. Ah, et ici on est dans le monde élément violet, c'est cool. J'ai un trou de mémoire sur l'élément violet, donc on va aller vérifier ça tout de suite. Électro, voilà. Donc voilà. Ouais, donc c'est une île, hein. On avait bien raison. C'est une grande île. C'est quoi ça? Téléporteur de barge, ok. Donc on est dans quelle partie de la map? Ok, on est ici. Donc il y a encore des îles à visiter par ici, par là. D'ailleurs, j'ai toujours pas trouvé la statue de 7 de Monsdat, c'est quand même dommage. Parce que j'ai passé pas mal de temps à Monsdat. Faudrait que j'aille découvrir ça aussi ici. Ok, c'est stylé. En vrai, on a une petite île sympa à visiter avec pas mal de trucs à faire. Je sais pas si l'arc sera aussi long que celui de Liu et Monsdat, mais c'est un nouvel arc, c'est cool. Hop. Bon voilà, merci d'avoir regardé la vidéo, n'hésitez pas à lâcher un like si ça vous a plu et à partager. Moi je vous dis à la semaine prochaine pour un nouvel épisode. Ciao!